Teen cough medication abuse is a growing concern that often hides in plain sight. Many over-the-counter cough syrups contain dextromethorphan, DXM, while prescription cough medicines include codeine and opioid. When taken as directed, these medications are safe, but in large doses they can produce euphoria, hallucinations, and dissociation. Teens may experiment because these medicines seem harmless, are easy to buy, or are already in the family medicine cabinet. However, abusing them can cause dangerous side effects, such as slowed breathing, irregular heartbeat, nausea, confusion, and even seizures. Long-term misuse disrupts brain development, affecting memory, emotional control, and decision-making. It can also lead to dependence and increase the risk of future addiction. Warning signs include missing medicine, drowsiness, slurred speech, poor focus, and social withdrawal. Prevention starts with open communication, parental supervision, and proper medication storage. Education is key. When teens understand the risks, they're less likely to see cough medicine as safe experimentation and more as a serious health threat.